Yo, what's good, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I want to tell you guys how to make money on the Fetch Rewards app. Now, I believe this is faster than the ZYNN app, and honestly, it really is. I literally just in 2 minutes I got like $2, and it's way better than the ZYNN app. The ZYNN app is literally like a scam. You literally have to be on there for like an hour, and you'll get like $1 or something. But this is really good, and you can literally use this for anything like art or electronics, or like for me, I'm gonna use it for media mostly, for PlayStation Plus card. So for $10 PSN card, I need 10,000 points. Right now, I only have 2,100, and that's 1,000 is 1 point. So in able to make money on this app is all you gotta do is literally just go on, like go right here to discover, click the camera, and like you literally had to take a picture of any receipts, and you get like points. And I'll show you proof right here. If you go to activity, you can see all my receipts. I literally just got $2 for this, for only 11 receipts. Literally, if you ask your parents, they probably have a lot of receipts, like even 50. I don't know, this is just the ones I found, but if you ask them, you can literally get so much points. For McDonald's, I literally got 750 points just for a McDonald's receipt. So, and the others are just the ones with like 25 and stuff. So yeah, and honestly, I recommend using this app. It's really easy, and it only takes like 2 minutes, and I definitely recommend it. You can also buy stuff like this. Like right now, I can buy this. Like I can literally buy this. I can't even buy. Well, around from here, if you want to buy something, you gotta go from rewards, and you can go like, let's see. I don't. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the least is like $3. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if there's anything like $2 something. Yeah, but once you get it, you can literally just like click on it. Like, let me show you. So yeah, once you get it, you can literally just click on it, and like you can actually buy it. Like, and if you wanna make money like even faster, you can get $7 for sharing this to your friend. Guys, please use my code if you're gonna use it. It gives you $2 the first time you use it. So like literally $2. You can literally get 2,000 points your first time. So honestly, I really recommend using it. So and please use my code. Please, I like just help your boy out, man. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe and leave a like, and let me know. And this is my code right here. All you gotta do is type it when you download the app. It's gonna like ask for a code or something. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, and yeah, leave a comment. I'll try answering all the questions. And in my opinion, it's better than the ZYNN app, because this app right now is just
When the
kind of
somebody loves me.
like you gotta like and comment. I'd rather just use that because this is way faster. If you have receipts, I definitely recommend using both of them. But yeah, peace out, guys.